All you can possibly need or desire is already yours. Call your desires into being by visualization, feeling, and speaking. Your wish is fulfilled. Taking a deep breath in and out. I give myself to happiness, joy, and internalized peace. I give myself to comfort and self-induced warmth. I am a child of the universe, much more of blossoming greens and fragrance. I embrace the warmth of this universe. I hold space for the best and best version of me only. I am grateful to be powerful. I am powerful, resilient, strength, capable, alive are mine. I am #powerful.